I'm rocking with my friend Daddy. I'm rocking with my friend Daddy. He's the best at cooking. I'm rocking with my friend Daddy.
Hi, welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M.
This is MJ Banana Apple.
And this is...
Mama.
It's Mama. Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be cooking with some... What are these, MJ?
Banana grams.
Banana grams. I don't know if that would taste very good, and don't copyright me for that. We're going to cook some bananas in coconut milk with sugar. Does that sound pretty good to you?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take that as a yes. Let's chop some bananas and get cooking.
I ate Daddy all over there.
Alright gang, ingredient time. We need 4 ripe bananas, a half can of coconut milk, we'll be using Del Diablo brand, 1 tablespoon of sugar, we'll be using coconut sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 1, we're going to peel the bananas. Peel them like a monkey, don't go on the end with the stem, squeeze, and then you should be able to peel pretty easily on the opposite side. Once you have all of them peeled, we're going to chop them in about 2-inch pieces. Careful that you don't make them too thin or too thick. We want them, again, about 2 inches, and set them to the side. Next, we're going to combine the sugar, the salt, and our coconut milk, and we're going to bring it up to a little bit warmer temperature just until we're getting all of those ingredients to combine together to make it's kind of like a simple syrup, but not really. Next step, once that's all dissolved and it's thickened just a little bit, is we're going to add our bananas. Apparently we have to stir a lot. Then, once the bananas are in, be careful because it is hot and we don't want to splatter it and get it on ourselves. We're going to mix them up a little bit, get everything nice and combined. And once they're combined and it's simmering, we're going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Stir every once in a while just to make sure. And once it's done, you can just turn off the heat and let it cool a bit. It's going to be hot. If you've got it correctly prepared, it should look something like this. Let's see how it tastes.
Alright, so we got it served up. MJ is starving half to death and she could not wait to try it. What do you think, champ? Super good, right? I actually ate a bunch while we were waiting for hers to cool down because I didn't want to burn her mouth. It's interesting because it kind of like lubes together, for lack of a better word, and it almost looks like applesauce, but it tastes like sweet banana. Super good. It's a nice light dessert, and you'll probably have this stuff laying around anyhow. So cook yourself some bananas and coconut milk and enjoy it at your home yourself. We hope you like our channel. If you do, feel free to like and subscribe and share, and we're gonna sign off so we can eat the rest of this. I'm Mr. M. This is
Banana MJ Apple.
Banana MJ Apple, and we will see you next time.
Banana gram, my daddy, and my mommy, and a banana gram. Owie, 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 bungy, 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 bungy.